Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this sitting behind me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible. Weekend car, fun car, autocross car. This is in a series of videos of unboxings or just showing the parts I'm going to be putting on my twin turbo motor or parts on the car this next spring or slash summer to do the twin turbo swap. This episode is going to be, or this little unboxing is going to be Zspec Design intake valve cover crush washers. Nice little kit. Once again, Zspec Design does a fantastic job. They do great in all their little products that I've purchased from them. These things are inexpensive. They do add up over time when you buy these little things, but they make your life so much easier in the long run, in my opinion, when you just use fresh new hardware. That being said, you could use old stuff, but these are the crush washers on the intake side. And if anyone's ever done these motors are getting to be 20, 30 years old. And these washers are rubber. They go bad and they are terrible. But let's take a look at this. This is the intake valve cover crush washer, which is Zspec 80698. So let's take a look at it here. This is gonna be another, like I said, short video, nothing fancy. Not putting it on the car yet, just getting it, just showing you guys. Another good packaging. I got this from Z1. You can get it from Zspec themselves. You can also get these from Concept Z Performance or anywhere Zspec sells their stuff. So they've got a reseller out there. There's somebody doing it. Let's see if I can get one of these out here. All right, let's take a look. It's rubber. You can feel it. Each one of these has got some type of goop on the back. So I don't say goop, just what it is. And these are crush washers. These are the ones you torque down to spec, but the other ones on the car, the old ones, are just shot and destroyed. But these are nice, shiny new ones. There's enough here to do both intake sides on both sides. Like I said, there isn't much to show on this, but just thought I'd show the quality of stuff that these guys do, and I think they do a fantastic job. Especially for even offering this stuff. There are a lot of makes and models of cars that people don't have this stuff, but this stuff is fantastic. So let's end this video. Once again, it's real short. I mean, heck, I've been doing under 5 minutes here for most of these videos here for the unboxings, or at least not the big comprehensive ones. This one is no different. This is just a nice little kit. It has all the stuff you need to put it on the car to make it nicer and freshen it up, make it modern for the time. Lots of guys may do it, some guys don't. It's all up to you, it's personal preference. But this time I will around. My old motor was still in the car. Not a problem, I reused them. But for the insignificant cost of these, hang on a second, let me find the cost for you guys. Because these were only cost me, let's see here, crush washers. Actually kind of more expensive, these are like 22 bucks. So not necessarily super cheap, but still not bad. Better than the OEM. So once again, my name is Z James, this is Z32 Workshop. If you already haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button. Every little bit helps the project or my car out or me. But, you know, this is the product. It's really good. It's not bad. We'll see when I install it here this spring or summer. So anyone, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.